Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly,
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall.
Today we're at a house that we've actually been at before, but we wanted to show you some of the progress that we've made since. And so we're standing in the new master suite over here. So
Yes.
as we walk through,
Yeah.
right, this used to be 2 rooms. There was a smaller bedroom, probably more like a nursery at the time. You can see
This is where
the wall
the
used to
wall
be.
used to be. So it's going to be nice, big, expanded master bedroom. And there's more because isn't this wall?
That wall gets pushed out about 6 feet. So you're basically adding on kind of another part to this room. And this over here, this room is going to just be a reading room. There's going to be a TV, couch, some chairs, some beams on the ceiling, to kind of just a hanging room near the master bedroom or as
So
part of.
the extra bedroom is now turned into a nice sitting room. And there's going to be some natural light here. This is new windows.
Yeah, all the windows on the house are actually being replaced. So we have new windows, which are all these Anderson Series 100 windows with a black frame.
Awesome.
A lot of people tend to lean towards a much skinnier frame. We like these thicker ones because it's much more secure. These are incredibly secure windows. They have glazing, so for the sun, very thermally controlled.
And you can pick your color.
Pick your color.
Right.
And all the windows on the house will be Anderson windows.
So here's more of the master. So this is like a bay area. So all those windows are new. And this is the original master.
Right. So in order to make this expansion, an engineer had to design the framing. You really can't. It's above our heads here, but we had to run in all these structural members so we could have a big open area, and that's what this became.
Over here.
Over here is part of our client's custom doors throughout the entire house. Actually, all the interior doors are doors that she's found and picked out from
Just various sources
Right.
and places that she likes to go. And it's great because it's a reflection of our client. And that's what we really like is when their personalities are put into it. Not every house is a cookie cutter kind of a remodel. This is very special. This is a special one.
very custom. So basically, our trim carpenter has to take each one of these doors and build a custom frame around it to fit into each space. So
Yeah.
it's
And not every door is the same.
every door's completely different.
Yeah.
It's wide, small, skinny, tall, but it's pretty cool.
Master
Now the
bathroom.
master bath. So
And then this is another space that had walls and it was kind of choppy. So now it's a much more open space. Because right here, Mike, wasn't this?
yeah, the
where-
bathroom was basically this little space right here. A closet, master closet was over here. So what we did is we blew the master closet out. We moved the toilet out, so it's now a much bigger master bathroom. Again, Anderson windows throughout. There'll be a large walk-in shower in this corner right here.
And you're standing on the bench.
I should be sitting on the bench. But then what we actually did here, though, is the closet was really small for a master. So we actually took out a bathroom over there and created a very large master closet that's accessible through the bathroom.
So you've got a beautiful vanity that'll be going along this wall, and you'll have a longer stretch. So it's a true master bedroom or master bathroom, instead of a smaller one. So, with a larger home, there should be
it should be
a
bigger.
sizable master bathroom.
And what's really cool is that when we come back at some point, even these vanities are going to be pieces of furniture that our client found that we're turning into vanities. So there's this theme throughout the house of parts and wood pieces she's found throughout the state. Even brought some stuff back from Santa Fe, New Mexico as well, and we're incorporating that throughout the house. So it is a unique, one-of-a-kind place that we will have here.
So that's what's going on in this section of the house. So if you follow along, we'll be kind of going through different areas of the house over the next course of features behind the drywall that we do, and that is it for this episode.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, and if you like what you saw, please like us, and of course, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends and family, and let them know all about Virtuoso Builders.
That's right. Thanks.
Thank you.
We'll see you later.
Bye.